I'm going to invite up Eugene Naughton and Christian von Everveld to the stage here. They're going to talk to you about this incredible new ride. They're going to then unveil this massive boat, and we'll explain to you exactly what makes it so special and what makes this ride so special. Afterwards, they'll be available for interviews for those of you that would like to do interviews. Find either myself, Wes, Katie, or Josh, and they will get you to be able to do the interviews. So without further ado, Eugene.
Good morning, IAAPA. It's an exciting day for us here for sure, and it's been a long journey of development. Dollywood Parks and Resorts is so proud of the partnership with Mack Rides and their innovative approach to being able to have us deliver NightFlight Expedition in the spring of 2026. It's a very unique ride, an attraction for different style experiences underneath one roof, a small roof, 44,000 square feet, the size of 4 football fields. And everything that's going to be inside NightFlight, I think is going to bring a lot of attention. This is setting the bar much higher than anything that we've ever done at Dollywood Parks and Resorts. This is the largest investment in our attractions history, and that shows the support of our parent company, Herschend, and Andrew Wexler in the belief of where we're going with our business. And I'm going to turn the mic over and let Christian speak a little bit more about our ride.
Thank you, Eugene. But first I have to say I'm very excited. There are even more people here than in the pre-show this morning with all the big IAAPA guys, so there are even more people here. So that makes me exciting and proud, and that's why I have some notes here that I'm not too nervous. But first of all, I also want to thank you, Eugene. I want to thank Dollywood. I want to thank the Herschend family for this great project. Because when we started, signed the contract, at that time, our first one, which we had in France, was not yet there, and it was a prototype. But you trusted us, and I remember the day when your team came to see us, and we have this test ride at the factory, and they were so excited that they said, we have to do this. And that makes us happy, because that's the second prototype we do with your company, your whole company, the Herschend Group. The first one was the Time Traveler. Here, my friend Brad over there in Silver Dollar, and now we have the next prototype together. But we know already that it works well. So in France, and we have different. We have different awards already for this one. This was the Golden Ticket Award, was the European Star Award, and the Park World Excellence Award. So we have different awards already. And this ride is a combination of storytelling, which is all on your side, and technical solutions, new, innovative solutions. And we have 11 boats. This is the first one. It was in time here. I'm happy for that, which we will show later. We have a duration. Altogether, we have 11 boats. When we open, we have a duration of about 5.5 minutes. A capacity of 10 people per boat makes about 1,200 per hour. We have a length of 12,000 feet. We have an acceleration vertical up to 2.3 G. But the main thing, it's a ride for all the family. And I can only say, everybody here, come in spring to Dollywood and test this fantastic ride. Eugene, thank you so much for all, and I give back the microphone. Thank you.
Congratulations. I'm so glad to be able to partner with you. And I know that you all didn't come here to see us up on this stage. I think you came to see this nice little contraption behind us. So what do you say? You help us give a countdown?
Yes.
What do you think? Ready?
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. It's a beautiful boat. It looks a little bit like a flying machine too.
So we're going to have Christian and Eugene go around and get in the boat for some photos for you. And then we'll set up so that we can do some interviews immediately after. So please bear with us.
Over there. Everybody look up here now. 1, 2, 3.
All right, that's it. We're here on
Yeah, no, right.